Captains here, Adam Shelton, and welcome to another edition of ClearCryptos, No Trust and Act, and we're going to talk about CoinMarketCap. It is the world's most referenced price tracking website for crypto assets and is rapidly growing in the crypto space. Now, this is founded by Brandon Ches back in May of 2013 and has quickly grown to the most and become the most trusted source by users, institutions, media for comparing thousands of crypto assets. Now, this is the look of CoinMarketCap. You can scroll all the way down. It has a top 100 look on this page. And if I go all the way down, I see 9,906. So that's how many cryptocurrencies that's really locked in here, to be honest with you. And you can go ahead and do your research. So prime example, if I clicked on one cryptocurrency like Ethereum, I'll get a chance to really view information, not only Ethereum itself, the price, the website. I also see the contract code here, market cap, fully diluted market cap, volume, circulating supply as well. I see what the price was the lowest and then what's the highest in the 24 hours or 1 minute, 1 hour here. This how many people's on the watch list. Dang, a lot of people looking at Ethereum right now. And it's this ranking on cryptocurrency in terms of CoinMarketCap. And then down here, I really like, you got the overview, markets, how many markets that sell Ethereum, historically data as well, shows like the price data in terms of low, close, volume, and more. News, any news about that cryptocurrency, price estimates in terms of like what they think in terms of predictions, and then more information as well about Ethereum. Now down here, if you go overview, you can see the actually graph, price, market cap. That's the graph of the market cap, and then the candle chart as well, just give you more information in terms of Ethereum on a chart. This looks like a trading view chart here, so this is a good place to do research and do some price analysis as well. And then also you can actually do a Ethereum to USD converter. So that means one Ethereum equal up this amount of USDC. If I go and change this to number 2, it's going to show my price of how much USDC or USD I need for that many Ethereum as well. Now, more information about it. It also shows what is Ethereum. So CoinMarketCap shows what is that cryptocurrency, who are the founders, what makes this project unique. It just gives you information and data in terms of that cryptocurrency. So it's a good source in terms of doing research if you're new or an existing investor. Now here it shows like a graph from when it first started. So May 13th or May 2013, I should say, CoinMarketCap first launches, and it shows all the way down to the latest information of June 2022, where CoinMarketCap page views break over 340 million a month. That's a lot of information there. And it shows more data in terms of where CoinMarketCap is going. But I like the fact that it shows more of a beginning to what it is now type of information chart here. So this is a good place to start. If you're a new investor, CoinMarketCap is one of those sites that a lot of people come to. So yes, back in 2013, Brandon Ches started this and found this as well. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. ClearCryptos, no trust and act. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.